Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some air fried lemon pepper wings. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So one of the recipes in the Ninja Foodi is that you can make your wings from frozen, so that's what I'm about to do. So I put in about a cup and a half of water. Now I'm just going to put my wings in. Now I've had these wings that I previously cleaned and seasoned with, I will leave what I used to season my wings in the description box. Then I put them in the freezer. So I thought, you know what, let me test out this recipe to see if it really works. I'm just going to put them in now. If you're new to my channel, thank you for coming. It's so good to have you here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so, and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a video. So now I'm just using my pressure lid just to start the pressuring process. Now when you use it, please make sure you've put that little thing, pressure release valve, oh gosh, into the seal position. Now it does say, following the instructions in the book, that you're going to pressure this on high for 5 minutes. Now bearing in mind, when this says for 5 minutes, remember it takes a while to build up the pressure. So I timed this and it took about 10 minutes for the pressure to build up, then the 5 minutes. Now after the 5 minutes is done, please make sure you turn your pressure release valve to the other side just to make sure that all the steam has come out, because you know have to burn up yourself. Once that is done, you're good to go. Take your wings out. Now another thing it does recommend is that you pat your wings dry. So I'm just patting them dry now, and I'm going to spray some oil spray on them. Now I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. I've got a mixture here of some of my homemade lemon pepper seasoning. I've added some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some celery salt to this, and I'm just sprinkling it over just to get ready to go in for the air fried process. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Make sure you give this a good mix and add a little bit more seasoning if you have to, but make sure you give it a good mix, because you don't want to give the people them chicken that season on one side. No, that's not a good look. Not a good look at all. So I'm just gonna put them back into the crisping tray. Now I didn't remove the water from it because it doesn't say, well, you have to take the water out, so I just literally left it in. Now it does say to air fry these, as you say, air crisp. So put it on the air crisp position, and it does recommend 14 minutes. So I'm just going to set my time now for 14 minutes, and after 7 minutes they do recommend that you open the tray and 15 minutes, my apologies, to open the tray and turn them over. So this is what I'm about to do. Now, as you can see, they're starting to crisp up very, very nicely. So I'm just going to turn them over and let them go for the remaining 7 minutes. Now I made my lemon pepper butter. If you want to know how to make this lemon pepper butter, I will link it right here, and I will also link it in the description box, so be sure to go and check that out. Now guys, I was quite impressed with these wings, if I must say so. I was like, oh, look at that color on them wings, like, oh, and they weren't dry at all. I actually loved how they came out. They were just like, oh, look at that, oh, oh. Oh, I was like, okay, where time out a chicken wing I go again? No, season them up, dash them in the freezer, and then in a ninja magic. No, we're not blending the chicken shells. Lord have mercy. In my Ninja Foodi Max. So once those are finished, I just took them out and just drizzled and dashed and poured my lemon pepper butter all over it. Now if you can toss, you toss, but I can't toss because God know me never want one of the wing for drop out of dirt. You know me, I forgot to take it up and blow up on it before me eat it. Yeah, just I use my spoon and just I twirl them and just, yeah, make sure all that goodness, all that butter just get soaked up. And Lord of mercy, guys, look at this. Whoa, listen, I couldn't wait to eat it. But you know what I found, guys? You see when you bite into it, it's hot. Look how much my bone up my mouth. Oh my God, they came out absolutely beautiful and I was not disappointed. So yeah, guys, my air fried lemon pepper wings. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and as usual, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit. Only you can limit yourself. Bye.